In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate and use a One4All gift card online, so you can easily make purchases at a variety of retailers. One4All gift cards are accepted at many online stores, from big-name brands to smaller shops, covering categories like fashion, electronics, home goods, and more. This makes the card very versatile for almost any purchase you want to make. First, you'll need to log in to your One4All account. If this is your first time using One4All, simply click on the Create Account option and follow the on-screen instructions to set up your account. Once logged in, you can start redeeming your gift card. Next, select the amount you want to load onto your One4All gift card. For example, you could choose anywhere from £10 up to £120, depending on your needs. Once you've entered the amount, click Add to Card and proceed to checkout. At checkout, you can pay using Visa, MasterCard, or PayPal. If you have a discount code, you can also enter it at this stage to reduce your total cost. After purchasing or loading your One4All gift card, you can now use it at your chosen retailer. Let's say you want to shop at Biosynergy. Go to their website, select the products you want, and add them to your cart. If you don't already have an account with the retailer, you'll need to create one. When you're ready to check out, enter all the required details for shipping and billing. Look for the Enter Coupon or Gift Card option during payment. Enter your One4All gift card code here and click Apply. This will deduct the gift card balance from your total purchase amount. Once applied, you can complete your order as usual, and your payment will be covered by your One4All gift card balance. And that's it. Your One4All gift card is now activated and ready to use online. It's that simple to enjoy shopping with a preloaded gift card at multiple stores. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides.